What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it is Tuesday, July 12th, 2022, and today's my maternal grandmother's birthday, who passed away last year. And sorry it's a bit windy. I heard it's gonna be gusty today and I even heard some rain later on. So I'm using the time wisely to do a tropical update with you guys, to make the best of it. Before I get into a tropical update, I want to tell you guys that this is the last video you'll see me in this long hair and beard, where I nearly look like McJuggernuggets from 2016, and I had a long beard like New York Prepper does. Yeah, New York Prepper doesn't have long hair, but he has a long beard. So, the reason why it'll be the last day you'll see me like this is because at 4:30 today, I'm getting a haircut and going back into my original look. Now on to the tropics. So, what we know so far is that Hurricane Darby actually went from a tropical storm and receiving its name to a Cat 4 hurricane in just less than 48 hours time, in less than 2 days, where it becomes a tropical storm and receives its name on Saturday, and it becomes a Cat 4 hurricane early Monday. Yeah, I already told you guys that the Pacific is fueled up right now, and Darby had a lot of strength and quickly became a Cat 4 hurricane. Yeah, it's amazing how it's mid-July and we're already getting major hurricanes right now in the Pacific. And we had Bonnie that turned into a Cat 3 and went from the Atlantic to the Pacific. And now Darby weakened back into a Cat 3. So it's gonna go on its weakening phase, and it's showing by Saturday at 2 AM this thing will become a remnant and dissipate. Yeah, its journey will end by Saturday, by the weekend at least. So Darby weakened back into a Cat 3 after rapidly becoming a Cat 4 hurricane who had maximum winds at 140 miles an hour. Now it has 125, which is a strong end Cat 3 hurricane. So it's going to go on its weakening phase, and that disturbance that formed over Georgia is now in the Gulf of Mexico. And will we see Tropical Storm Danielle? I don't know. Only time will tell. And there's another disturbance in the Pacific that has a higher chance of becoming something in 5 days, but has a smaller chance in just 2 days. So I think this thing is rapidly gonna grow like Darby just did. Yeah, so they say that Darby is small but pretty strong and is a major hurricane. So yeah, the Pacific is really fueled up right now. This is how Darby got so walled up so fast. And in the middle of July. Yeah, this is just the start of hurricane season. This shows you that there's a sign that both the Atlantic and the Pacific are going to be really busy this year with hurricanes as time progresses on. I think it's going to be hyperactive by the time we get into August and September, like when school starts again. So we really need to be keeping an eye on this. Yeah, we definitely have to keep an eye on this season because it's gonna get crazy. So I hope you guys are keeping an eye on the tropics, and I guess that's it. Bye.